Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to teach you on how to convert your airtime to money, to cash, whereby you're now able to withdraw it to your bank account. So in order not to delay, let's dive into the video. Imagine the situation whereby you are trying to recharge 2,000 naira and you ended up recharging 20,000 naira, or you are trying to recharge 1,500 naira and you ended up recharging 15,000 naira or 150,000 naira recharge card. So in this situation, you might think you have no solution or there is no way for you, but let me bust your bubble that there is a way for you out of this mess. Just that you might not be getting your 100% refund of your money, but you'll be getting 80%. Okay, so no long talk, let's dive into the video. You will come to your Play Store app right here, and then you will search for this particular app. Aim to get, okay, this app right here that has the red icon. This aim to get. So you search it. Once you have it, you are going to install it, download it and install it. So once you install it, after downloading it, then you are going to register. So to register, you are going to use your email and password. So once you register and verify the account, so you are going to log in, and after you are going to log in, and after logging in after logging in, you are going to make sure that you verify your account. Like, you verify your account, you do email verification, BVN and face verification, and then you connect it to your bank. So those are the 3 steps verification that is required. After doing everything successfully, then you are to sell your card here. I'm going to do a demo for you right here, as you can see. But as you can see from my history right here, like, this was 15,800 naira that I withdraw. As you can see, 15,800 naira that I withdraw as cash, I mean as money. So so that you can see that this video that I'm doing for you is real. As you can see right here, this is real money that I withdraw. As you can see, it was credited to my GT Bank account. So I had to click on the transaction receipt so that you can see everything. So now, to dive into the video, after registering the account, so you will now come over here on this app. After you have verified everything and verify your account, you will come to convert airtime. So depending on the airtime you want to convert to, whether it is MTN, Airtel, Nine Mobile or Glo, please note that before you start this operation, you must have, first of all, have your own share and sell pin. What I mean by share and sell pin is, if you have never shared airtime to anybody before on your phone, definitely your divert pin is going to be 40 0 in 4 places. But if you have changed your pin before previously, I mean you have been sharing the airtime with anybody before, so you will note your pin. So, but in case you don't know your pin, you can call the customer care, the Default customer care number is 300. So you call customer care and you tell them to reset your pin. So that's it. But for the sake of video, I'm going to be using MTN. So now you click on the MTN that you want to sell, and then you enter the phone number that has the airtime that you want to sell, the particular phone number that has the airtime. So mm, let me enter this number. I don't know if I have airtime, but I will know whether I have airtime on this number right now or I don't, because it is going to show if I have airtime. As you can see on this line, I have 700 naira airtime. So I will try and top it up to, don't let me top it up. So let me just continue to use this as example. So now how much do I want to convert? I want to convert 750. So now out of the 750 that I want to convert, let's say I'll be getting 600 naira, which is 150 is going to be deducted as my as the fee. You know, I told you before that you'll be getting 80% of your money back. So automatically I'm going to 600 naira. Still better than nothing at all. So imagine a situation whereby it is higher numeration you are trying to convert to airtime, convert to cash, maybe 150k or 20,000 naira or 15,000 naira or 150,000 naira. So everything is automated on this platform, so you are getting value of your money immediately credited to your bank account that you link. So now this is where you get tricky. As can as you can see right here, it said that we should enter our share pin for this number. Now on my own sim, I already have my own personal Ford share and sell pin which I use to transfer airtime. So I will just enter it and I'm just going to proceed. So it should be successful and it will show me results. As you can see, transaction successful, wallet funded with 600 naira. Yes, continue. Now I will come back to my wallet here. And you can see the 600 naira has been successfully credited to my wallet. This is the 600 naira. It has been successfully credited to my wallet. So and as you can see right here that I've been using this app. So see, I've been using this app. It's legit. So now what I'm just going to do next is to withdraw this 600 naira to my local bank account. So I'm going to enter my bank account right here and click on the amount that I want to withdraw, and I'm going to proceed. Okay, I can't withdraw all 6,600 naira because of transfer. So I'm going to withdraw 5,080 naira. 580 naira rather, not 5,080 naira. So this is going to go successful. So because they have to deduct some money, so you have to take that in charge too. As you can see, transaction successful. So the money has been credited, has been withdrawn and be credited to my bank account. So I should receive a message from my bank in the next 2 to 3 minutes right now that a sum of 515 naira has been credited to my bank account. So Let me wait for the message. Yes, I've gotten the message. As you can see, here is an electronic email that confirm that a credit transaction has occurred in my on my account. As you can see, credit transaction, it has occurred in my account. So let me check for the SMS. As you can see, I've received the SMS too. So this is it. 415 naira has been credited to my account. So this is a legit information updates, and everything is automated. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Peace out.